हे ट्यूटोरिंग, लास्ट वीडियो में हमने लिस्ट का इंट्रोडक्शन देखा और मैंने आपको यह भी बताया था कि लिस्ट में हम स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स यूज करते हैं। तो इस सेशन में हम लिस्ट मेथड्स कवर करेंगे और सॉर्टिंग का भी पार्ट देखेंगे। ओके, सो दिस इज माय लिस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन। मैंने यहाँ पे कमेंट लिखा लिस्ट मेथड्स करके एंड लिस्ट 3। लेट्स मेक दिस लिस्ट 3 100 90 80 70 45 10. It's a integer. 20.5 it's a float, then it's a string here, then it's a boolean and it's a complex number. Let me print this list 3. You can see I am using this list only. Now I want to add one more data or element inside this list. So for that we have a method called append. Append is a method which is used to add the element in the list. If I write here list 3 dot append, okay, I want to add suppose Python in my list. So let's print this list 3. You can see Python has been added in my list 3 here. Okay, so if I write here, let me append the number in the list. I want to add 50 in my list. Let's print this list 3. You can see 50 also has been added in my list. So every time I am appending any value and it is adding that value at the last position. So there may be some question in your mind. आपको अगर कोई डेटा लास्ट में नहीं बीच में डालना है, अपेंड का यूज किया तो लिस्ट में डेटा ऐड हुआ बट वो डेटा लास्ट में ऐड हुआ। अगर मुझे डेटा बीच में डालना है, इफ आई वांट टू ऐड द एलिमेंट इन बिटवीन, सो हाउ कैन आई ऐड दैट? So there is a method called insert. तो मैं यहाँ पे लिखूंगी list 3 dot insert. So here you write the index value that where you want to insert. So if I want to insert at the 4th position, so 4 is the index and false. Let's print this list 3. You can see false is also added in my list 3 at the 4th position. This 100 is at the 0 position, 90 is at the first, 80 is at the second, 70 is at the third and false is added at the 4th position here. If I want to add my name in this list 3 at the 0th position, so dot insert 0 is a position and Divya. Let me print this list 3 here. So you can see Divya is added in my list at the 0th position. Okay, so this append and insert method is used to add the data inside the list. Now the next method is copy. Suppose I want to add all the data of list 3 inside another list. Let me take another list as list 4 here and I want to copy all the contents of list 3 into the list 4. So let me print this list 4 here. So you can see I got all the data of list 3 to the list 4. So if you want to clear the list 3, you don't want any data in this list. आपने यहाँ पे क्या किया, लिस्ट 3 का होल डेटा लिस्ट 4 में कॉपी कर दिया। अब आपको लिस्ट 3 के डेटा की जरूरत नहीं है तो आप ये डेटा यहाँ पे क्लियर करोगे लिस्ट 3 का। सो लेट मी क्लियर दिस लिस्ट 3 डॉट क्लियर। ओके एंड प्रेस एंटर। नाउ if I print this list 3, see there is no data present, all the data is clear. So every time you print here list 3, see again I get here blank data. Suppose you want to remove this variable from the memory, because आपने तो list 3 का सारा डेटा क्लियर कर दिया तो ये list 3 रखने का क्या मतलब? तो मैं वेरिएबल भी यहाँ से हटाना चाहती हूँ। डिलीट लिस्ट 3, press enter. It's deleted now. Now print list 3. It will give me error. So it is removed from the memory. Okay. Let me print list 4 again. Okay. Now the next method is count method. I want to count the elements. If I write here list 4 dot count, I want to count 1 here. Okay. So how many 1 are there? So there is only 1. Why I am getting here 1? I cannot see somewhere 1 in this list 4. Can you see? I cannot see. Okay, so why it is giving me 1? If I write here list 4 dot count, I want to count 0 here, so again it's giving me 1. Why? It is just because there is only one true. True is used to declare the 1 here, and false is used to declare the 0 here. That's why I am getting here count 1 is 1 and count 0 is 1 also. If I want to count here my name, list 4 dot count Divya. See, I am getting 2 because here are 2 Divya. This is first one and this is second one. Okay, so that is the use of count. Next one is the index method. I want to know that what is the index of this 20.5 in the list. So you can count this. This is at the 0th position. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6th, 7th and 8th. So index of 20.5 is 8. Okay, so list 4 dot index. Let's count the index of 20.5. You can see I am getting here 8. If I want to know that what is the index of Divya here, because there are 2 Divya in the list, so let's count the index of Divya here. Divya. Okay, so it's giving me 0 because it just mentioned that index which is come first. So index of this Divya is 0 here. Okay, so if I want to count the index of second Divya, because the index of second Divya is 9 here, and I want to count that index. Okay, so I just write here list 4 dot index Divya, and I want to count the second Divya's index. So these two, okay, this 2 is a second, so it's give me, okay, again Divya and 2 is a second one. Okay, so see, I am getting here 9. Okay, so as second Divya is at the 9th position. Now next one is how to remove the element from the list. For this function, either you can remove it permanently or you can remove it temporarily. Means you can remove from here and store it into the another variable. There are 2 ways. So if you want to permanent remove the data from the list, so I just write here list 4 dot remove. So I want to remove this 70 from this list. So just write here 70 and let's print this list 4. You can see 70 has been removed from my list here permanently. I cannot get it back. Now I don't want to remove element permanently. So I declare one variable here A. A is a variable. List 4 dot pop. Pop is another method for removing, and 11 is the index. Okay, pop means coming out and 11 is the index value. Here I have passed the index value of data that I want to pop. So here 11 is the index value of Python. You can count this list 4. See, 11th data means this Python is removed from here. Can you see here Python? I cannot see. So Python is removed here, and if I print A here, so you can see Python will be stored in this A variable. Okay, similar for if I want to remove this 80 from this list, I want to remove this 80. So count the index of 80 here. this is 0, this is first, second, third. So index of 80 is 3. So let me take a variable b, list 4 dot pop, and index of 80 is 3 here. Okay, so let me print this list 4. See, 80 is removed from this list. If I print b, see, 80 is stored inside this variable b. I hope till here you don't have any doubt. So next is sorting method. Next is sorting method. So this is the last thing in the list. Either you are doing, so what is the sorting? Either you are doing in ascending order or doing in descending order. Suppose I print here list 4 again. Okay, so can you sort this data? It is not possible to sort this data. Okay, because for sorting all the data should be of same data type. Okay, so see, list 3 dot sort. See, I got the error here. That means we cannot sort this. So let me create another list. B is equals to 100, 10, 80, 45, 20, 90. Okay, now I want to sort this. B dot sort. Let me print this B here. See, it has sorted the data in ascending order. Now if I want to sort in descending order, just write here B dot sort and write here reverse equals to true. Reverse equal to 2 and print here B. See, that will do in descending order. Okay, so if you write reverse is equals to false, so false will do in ascending and true will do in descending. So by default the value of reverse is false. Okay, sort means छोटा से बड़ा या बड़ा से छोटा करना, that means sorting. I hope it's clear till here. If you have any doubts, then write your doubts in comment box or you can ask me on the Telegram group. Also the link of Telegram is in the description. तो आज के लिए यहाँ पे लिस्ट का पार्ट कवर हुआ, तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम टपल देखेंगे. तो गाइज मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए गुड बाय एंड एंजॉय लर्निंग.